There are things known and there are things unknown, and in between are the doors of perception. You shall know the truth and the truth shall make you mad. Give us this day our daily faith, but deliver us, dear God, from belief. Happiness is not achieved by the conscious pursuit of happiness. It is generally the byproduct of other activities. Facts do not cease to exist because they are ignored. To travel is to discover that everyone is wrong about other countries. Consistency is contrary to nature, contrary to life. The only completely consistent people are the dead. After silence, that which comes nearest to expressing the inexpressible is music. Experience is not what happens to a man. It is what a man does with what happens to him. Words can be like X-rays. If you use them properly, they'll go through anything. You read and you re-pierced. Every man's memory is his private literature. All that happens means something. Nothing you do is ever insignificant. I wanted to change the world. But I have found that the only thing one can be sure of changing is oneself. If one's different, one's bound to be lonely. The secret of genius is to carry the spirit of the child into old age, which means never losing your enthusiasm. I want to know what passion is. I want to feel something strongly. That men do not learn very much from the lessons of history is the most important of all the lessons that history has to teach. Beauty is worse than wine. It intoxicates both the holder and the beholder. There's only one corner of the universe you can be certain of improving, and that is your own self. But I don't want comfort. I want God, I want poetry, I want real danger, I want freedom, I want goodness, I want sin. An intellectual is a person who has discovered something more interesting than sex. The deepest sin against the human mind is to believe things without evidence.